What's up, guys, and welcome back to another Dog Life channel. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that like button and subscribe. And if you don't know my name already, my name is Kinsley, and I'm still kind of new to this channel, and I will post every week. And don't tell the dogs. Well, they kind of can't hear me. I got them each a present. They're probably going to be all Oakleys. Like, look. Oakley's right there. And she loves toys more than them. But I'm being nice and getting them all one. Oh, I forgot. I'm so sorry. So, this is Oakley, if you're new. This is Tucker. And this is Jessie. So what I just wanted to do is give you a tour. I'm not gonna give you a tour of everything, but come on, boys. Well, at least Jessie comes. Okay, so that's Oakley. She's a German Shepherd mix. She's very healthy. She's only a couple months old, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure, but she's still a puppy. This is my black lab, Jessie. And that's my German Shepherd Tucker. So, I just wanted to give you a heads up if you're new, because I'm still new, but I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just want to do it because I love animals, and of course, probably all you do too. And comment down below, just comment and say what animal you have, or what kind of dog or cat you have. So, bye!